Alright, so I'm back at this RV because the lady called me. Well, I met her boyfriend here, or they both were here, and then she left. Anyway, she called me because she was upset because I made a key to this door, and she said that they were all in the same key, and that she wanted a key for both doors, and that she wanted new locks early, but she didn't tell me that. She just said she wanted a key, but she assumed that means she's getting a new lock. So, and she said they're all the same key, but we checked it. The key did not fit in, so there's no way they're on the same key. Anyway, and I guess there's no access from the inside. So I'm gonna open it and then check what key this is and try to make her a key. Gotta keep the customer happy, I guess. That's the name of the game. Yeah, I don't. There we go. So this should be, well, it's probably not open yet, but I couldn't hear anything actually move, but. Oop. I think we're turned. And now we stopped and we locked it. Looks like it's locked on the bottom. See, this lock is sealed. I can't make a key off of that one unless I can file it, which I don't really do. I can make a key to this bottom one, so let's just take it out. Should be on the same key. Oh, it's just stuck. All right. Well, we'll do the same thing here. We'll take this lock out, try and make a key to it. Well, that's how you take